Wagwan viewers and subs, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Walk and Talk at this new rules, Alkaline and Armani. Plus we also have Nigy boy manager a speak out against Rvssian. Yeah man, so we have that for touch upon. Plus we also have Mason Greenwood. I go start play for Jamaica very soon. So man, remember, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload. As me, big up on yourself, make we jump right into it. So viewers, as you know already, Rvssian drop a rhythm, storybook rhythm, and most artists I go on the rhythm and do them thing, and Nigy boy manager, I make a bag of talk about it. Like he must say, yo, Rvssian, leave a link Nigy. So I'm gonna show you where Nigy boy manager say, and make you see what really go on. Yes, I don't know if Nigy get the rhythm recent, but I just show you where the manager says same way. So I see what's going on. Yes, I mean, I feel like Nigy forget the rhythm, well, yeah, Nigy forget the rhythm. I feel so. Yes, I mean, Nigy is a very talented person. So yeah, Nigy forget the rhythm. Alright, so this says, real Dr. Love music. It is not good to put everything on social media. I have to speak my mind. Everything deserves a second chance. Storybook rhythm or no link. Kiss me teeth. Viewers and subscribers, that's what Nigy boy manager had to say about the storybook rhythm being released and no invite from Rvssian to them. What do you think about that? The manager also said everything deserves a second chance. Like it seems like something happened between them and Rvssian, and that's why I must say, yo, everything deserves a second chance. But we don't know what happened between them, and maybe that's the reason why Rvssian don't link Nigy. Because I don't know Nigy and Rvssian, them link up already. They did music together. You see me? So yeah, it's actually shocking if you know sir Nigy is not on the rhythm, and as I said before, Nigy and Rvssian them link up already. So yeah, the manager said everything deserves a second chance. So it seems like something happened between Rvssian, Nigy boy, and Nigy boy manager. You see me? You can leave on the take down below. Like I said before, I don't know if Nigy get the rhythm, but yeah, me most definitely would have loved to see Nigy boy upon the storybook rhythm. As me, don't know, Nigy is a very talented artist, and yeah man, say Nigy a bad artist already. So yeah man, Nigy forget the rhythm, but as I said, it seems like something happened between them, and the link just cut between them and Rvssian. So just leave on a take down below. Make me know what you think. Make we continue. Alright, so I don't know already. Say yo, Armani, this, Valiant, and Walk and Talk plus DJ Mac at New Rules. Now we have Walk and Talk at this, the entire New Rules, and Armani. You might call Armani fish, and he went on to talk and bag of things.
Blood shot walking, you fuck up a fish.
I'm on that man. Seafood I consume.
Oh.
Light fish, that's what I'm on it. Consume seafood. You know that?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah man, in front of me.
That was one of Armani.
Yeah, Nick up one, look for him.
That one there?
That same one there, you know him too. That one. Watch him, them big giant up and down. Dance all the America now, and the kids them is here. It's a nice like.
Yeah, we mean by dance all the America and the kids them is here.
Both of the America being
Who
there,
you telling the kids?
The kids them like go on the kids them, the kids show go.
Oh.
Nice kids. Like that's a good fit.
So what the fit they keep? Our kids show where you want.
Keep it country, that's a good fit. And I like
which country kid?
Where keep again? Run away, baby. Where keep? Where show keep? Our country, man. You see?
They say it was a
nice
kind of show.
Dance all so the kids them having fun right now. It's summer.
Yeah man, so Walk and Talk at this, Armani, and I call the entertainer fish. Plus him also say yo, the kids show. When I don't know say yo, he must speak about new rules. You see me, he must say yo, kids, he must call Alkaline, Armani, Intense, Silk Boss, and list goes on. I call them kids, I call new rules, kids show. You see me, I don't know, say, Vibes Cartel, Massacre, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, and the list goes on. I know, say, them, they were overseas performing, you see me? So basically, I call Alkaline them, yo, kids, you see me? So viewers, when you think about that, you see me? Walk and talk at this Armani, plus this Alkaline, you see me? Yeah, man, them throw shades at the artists them that also perform at New Rules. You see me? Yeah, man, them throw them shades. You see me? So, and just make me know think about that. It's obvious, say, yo, him talk about the New Rules Festival and him talk about Alkaline. You see me? Yeah, man, because I don't know, say, yo, walk and talk, rep for Vibes Cartel, the Gaza side already, you see me? So, yeah, I be things that go on viewers and subscribers, Jaja. So Valiant made this post like a day back and it says, imagine hating me and I don't notice. Him basically a talk about Armani. You see me? So a bit things are going on between them, viewers and subscribers right now. Things just are getting nice. Dancehall just are getting nice. No joke. But anyways, make we continue and remember, if you reach this far, subscribe. Alright, so this is for the football fans then. So Mason Greenwood is basically changing his nationality to Jamaican. Yeah, man, is set to play for the Jamaican Reggae Boys. So I'm going to read an article so I have a better understanding of what's going on right now. Mason Greenwood is officially making the switch. According to multiple reports, the 23-year-old footballer has completed the process to represent Jamaica at the international level, having switched alliances from England. He is now awaiting his Jamaican passport before becoming eligible to suit up for the Reggae Boys. Greenwood, who was born in England to a Jamaican father, made his debut for England senior team in 2020, but only played once, leaving him eligible for a one-time switch under FIFA rules. Currently shining for French club Marseille, Greenwood's decision is seen as a major boost for Jamaica's national team as they aim to qualify for the 2026 World Cup, which will be co-hosted by the US, Canada, and Mexico. So viewers and subscribers, if you don't know who is Greenwood, well, you can check him out on like YouTube. Yeah, Zimmy is a top class football player. Yeah, Zimmy. So watch on man and just know the badness go already. Leave a like, subscribe, click that bell so you do not miss a brand new upload. Pick up on yourself. Catch you in another one.